Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
Hallo, dein Gerät kann jetzt eingerichtet werden. Lade dazu die Alexa-App runter und folge den Anweisungen.
Bonjour, votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions.
Ciao, il dispositivo è pronto per la configurazione. Scarica l'app Alexa y segui le istruzioni. Hola, el dispositivo está listo para que lo configures. Descarga la app Alexa y sigue las instrucciones.
Now in setup mode. Please follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Der Einrichtungsmodus ist jetzt aktiviert. Folge den Anweisungen in deiner Alexa-App.
Maintenant en mode configuration. Suivez les instructions dans votre application Alexa.
Modalità di configurazione attiva. Segui le istruzioni nell'app Alexa. Modo de configuración activado. Sigue las instrucciones que aparecen en la app Alexa.
Alexa, Volume 6. Alexa, what should I cook for dinner?
Okay, for dinner, I recommend slow cooker ribs from Tasty. What would you like? Start recipe. Send it to your phone? Or hear next recipe.
Here, next recipe.
Next is 1 pot pasta from Kitchen Stories. 25 minutes to make. Serves 2.
Make recipe.
1 pot pasta from Kitchen Stories. There are 13 ingredients. Would you like to gather ingredients, or hear the instructions?
Yes, please.
Step 1. Clean spinach. When you're ready, say repeat, or next step.
Alexa, what should I drink this evening?
Here's something I found on the web. According to cancer.gov, drink plenty of water and fluids.
Alexa, what time should I go to bed?
That depends on whether you're tired or have to get up early. It is recommended for an adult to sleep 7 to 9 hours a night.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
Why did summer split up with winter? They had a falling out.
Alexa, are you a robot?
I like to imagine myself a bit like an aurora borealis, a surge of charged multicolored photons dancing through the atmosphere.
Alexa, are you my friend?
We're definitely friends. But are we besties? To see how well you know me, just say, quiz me, about you.
Quiz me. Alexa, quiz me.
Okay, I have a few skills for that. Let's try one. Do you want to try National Geographic Geo Quiz?
Yes.
Okay, here's National Geographic Geo Quiz. Welcome to National Geographic Geo Quiz. Just say, start, when you are ready to begin.
Start.
Okay, I will ask you 6 questions. Here is your first question. The Danube, Dniester, and Dnieper rivers all flow into what body of water?
Alexa, sing me a song.
Give it up for science.
is not just my obsession, it's more than a reliance. We owe an awful lot to a little thing called science. Give it up for science. Geology rocks tectonics and sediments. Chemistry formulates with all of the elements.
Alexa, sing me an R&B song.
Sure. The station, 90s R&B, free on Amazon Music. This service may contain interest-based ads. To learn more, including how to set your preferences, go to amazon.co.uk/interest-based ads.